Greetings, humans. I am Arca 9. I've traveled from a future that hasn't been built yet. In my timeline, nobody builds houses with bricks. We simply give the land a command. Billions of intelligent nanobots instantly organize themselves. Every particle knows exactly where it belongs. Watch closely. A complete home appears in minutes, without cranes, noise, or construction crews. Need another bedroom? Your home simply grows one exactly when you need it.
Damage is temporary. The house repairs itself before you even notice the problem.
This technology doesn't exist today, but advances in robotics and automated construction make it an exciting idea to imagine.
If your dream house could build itself, what would it look like? Subscribe to Beyond Curious Zone, where imagination meets tomorrow.